It's coming off.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allegra. No, not like the medicine. And today on Hair Tie Face Beat, I'm going to show y'all how to achieve this super easy lime green look. It's perfect for the summer. And we're just going to get straight into the video. But wait, before I go any further, you need to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Join the gang, the family, the crew, the squad, whatever you want to call it. Just hit the subscribe button and be sure to like this video, okay? Well, let's get into it. Y'all already saw my eyebrows. I always do the same thing. I use the NYX Espresso, the NYX micro brow pencil in Espresso, and I use Fawn to conceal. I need to get my eyebrows done. It's so bad, y'all, but look, I don't have time, okay? And I'll get them done later. So just know you don't have to have super fresh brows to make them look neat. It's just that they're going to be thicker, okay? Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with thick brows, okay? So now I used a lighter color concealer because I felt like that would make the green pop a little better. I wish I had a white base. I know that would have been perfect, but you gotta use what you got, okay? So I used a lighter concealer as my base, and then I packed on the lime green shadow that I showed y'all. I used a really small, not really small, but a fairly small packing brush to go ahead and put those colors on my lid. I'm just using that lighter green in the palette to go ahead and add some color to the rest of my lid instead of like just my natural lid. So I guess like that's more of my transition area. Yeah, so that's what I did there. And just blending it and making it look cute. Okay. And of course, from blending the transition area, some of the lid eyeshadow came off, so I'm just using that small brush to go ahead and pack that back on there. I decided to not speed up that entire process just so you can really get a good look of exactly what to do. So yeah, just take your time and build the color up, and that's how you do.
Okay, so here you see that I'm just fixing up the edges of that shadow to try to make it look really good and crisp because, you know, like I said, blending out the edges. Look at that. Cute. Right here you're going to see how shocked I was. I was so excited I did my eyeliner. If you've seen my other videos, then y'all know the struggle, okay? Yeah, so this is a trick I learned from Jackie Aina. I'm putting my setting powder on my face before I put my concealer because I tend to get oily. And look at how smooth, I mean not concealer, my foundation. Look how smooth my foundation goes on there. Like, look at that. It looks like you can't even see my skin under there, girl. But it's not going to look cakey. It's a really good trick for if you have oily skin or if you want your foundation to stay all day. All right, I'm just coming back in to check on y'all. How y'all doing? All right, I'm not baking this time. Well, at least not underneath my eyes, just because the look looked very clean. You know, the one I'm trying to recreate looks very clean. This is what I do for my smile lines. I smile a little, and then I pack that setting powder into where the creases would be, and it makes my setting powder last, or I mean, it makes me not have smile lines. Okay, see how I'm not letting it bake? I went ahead and pressed the setting powder right into my skin, and I'm gonna let it bake around my mouth. Hey y'all, what y'all doing? I'm spraying setting spray. It smells so nice. I love it. That's why I smiled. Follow me on Instagram at hairtied_facebeat. Mm, mm, mm. Know something? Look at me putting these lashes on, girl. Oh, check me out. But do y'all feel like putting on mink lashes? It's just a tad bit easier than putting on like like the regular lashes. I don't know what y'all think. And here's my adopted mole. That's all for this video, y'all. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please be sure to like this video by hitting the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you won't be lagging the next time I drop a bomb ass look, okay? Or just a bomb ass video, because everything is not looks, okay? But all right, thanks. See y'all in the next one.